everybody. It's that time to get excited. Welcome to Jennifer Nicole Lee TV show here, streaming live. It's time to get excited, guys, right now. All right, I'm doing a huge giveaway. This is the last giveaway of September, and I'm so excited. Listen, I got a lot to cover in a little bit of time. What you need to do right now is go to jennifernicolelee.com and make sure you enter to win. I'm doing not one, not two, but are you ready for this? 3 giveaways. So go to the website, jennifernicolelee.com, click on giveaway right there, and you're going to be entering to win. It's actually called Enter to Win, and you will be automatically entered to win one of these 3 prizes. Okay. So let's talk about fashion. One lucky winner is going to be receiving Fashion War giveaway right here. Look at this beautiful fall colored tote. This purse, I want it for myself. It is absolutely gorgeous. Milan, New York, Los Angeles, eat your heart out. This is great for running around from office to night. So good luck on that. And let's talk about makeup. Look at these beautiful makeup war bags. What? Loving it. I can hear that theme song, that Star Wars theme song. One lucky winner is going to be receiving Patrick Starr's amazing 2 lipsticks and compact that came with the MAC limited edition set. So look at these colors. I'm absolutely loving them. Love this collection, and a pair of falsies eyelashes so you can get glammed out for the holiday season coming ahead. Okay, so we went over 2 F's that I love. We got fashion, we got face for makeup. Now let's talk about food. But hold up, wait a minute. Let's talk about face, okay? Oh my goodness, can I get excited about this? Ah, look at my Halloween jingle bells. All right, I had the honor of having Natalie Vasquez of the Gods USA grace my home studio yesterday. Look, whoever enters to win will be receiving a beautiful Gods USA luxurious washcloth. Make sure you follow them at the Gods USA. Absolutely love mine. I sleep with mine. It's so soft, it's like a little blankie. All right, now, we're going to be going to food. I want to thank sponsors Core Water, CAMSA, NRB, and Dark Dog Organic. I told you the giveaway was going to be huge. All right, listen. It gets better. Look at all this hair. This hair is saying, I'm not thirsty, I am hydrated. My curls got boing in them. They got some bounce in them. Look at that. I want to thank Curly Locks Box for this amazing subscription box of products that she curates every month, cherry picking the best products that she approves. Thank you, Summer Shaw. I also had the pleasure of having Summer Shaw grace her presence here at my home. And look at all the great things. You also even get jewelry and essential oils and hair care products. It's a subscription company, and you can go to Curly Locks Box and make sure you go to that website and join the newsletter. The great thing is also you can go to the Instagram and see all the other girls that are blessed with curly hair and how they're using the products. Okay, I want to thank also, look at this, in time for the holiday season. This is Perfect Pumpkin and Witch Please. These are pumping hand soaps, absolutely love them. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about the True Box. Look at this golden box. I want to thank Susan Lozier for taking the time with her team at True for curating this box. Someone will be winning this box this week. I'm so excited to share with you what is in the gold box. I just want the gold box itself. I absolutely love it. Okay, look at this. You're getting zesty orange. Oh, are these the little capsules? Ooh. Okay, you're getting zesty orange, which I love. It's a high energy, super nutritional power. It's the True formula, which I love zesty orange and I love fruit punch. This is really cool because it's cold pressed live multivitamins, essential minerals, 20 amino acids, digestive enzymes, 9 of those, boost your metabolism, and also you can just put it underneath your tongue. You don't even need to add it to water. Okay, you're getting, oh look, you're getting that one and this one. You're getting the both flavors, fruit punch and zesty orange. And also you're getting the truly pure drops to add to your water. This is a great giveaway. Retail value, I think close to $100. So I want to thank Susan Lozier and all of our true family members for believing in this product and absolutely getting the results that they deserve. Okay, last but not least, the lucky winner will be also receiving some goodies from J&L Global Studios. You're going to be receiving an autographed Jolted J&L book, a collaboration between myself and my chief celebrity photographer, Ronson Original. Shout out to the best. Much love to you. It is a motivational book filled with great photography, my favorite motivational quotes to keep you focused on your dreams and your goals, and also autographed magazines right here. My 91st and 92nd magazine covers. So thank you so much to Socialite Magazine for helping me to reach a new demographic in Russia. How cool is that? So as you can see, the giveaways are real. I'm going to be announcing the giveaways on Friday, 2:30 to 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, because I am hosting a beauty model factory this Friday. So I'll be very busy with that during the day. But after the transformations have been made and all of the beautiful lights, camera, and action sets have been done, we're gonna then break down the set, and then I'm gonna be announcing the winners between 2:30 and 3. So guys, look at this. Look at this. Does this get you excited for the holiday season? I suffer from, yes, my name is Nicole, and I suffer from obsessive compulsive Halloween disorder. See? Who's ready for the holiday season? Yay. All right, guys, so don't walk and don't even run. I want you to fly to the website, jennifernicole.com. Click on Enter to Win and put your name in there. I'm so excited to see who's going to win this Friday. So here's your Jolted J&L before I sign off to keep you guys spiritually fed and motivated. Someone out there is working 10 times as hard as you with 10 times less the resources, support, and money and security and stability in their lives. So don't be afraid to push harder. The harder you push, the more you get. And I'm so excited to be your coach. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Smile and be well. Bye, guys.